The case had been going on for over 7 years. We finally got to the appeal before the state court, the State Court of Appeals. And we actually thought that we had a pretty good chance there because we had some new arguments we wanted to try out, and we thought they were good. And that we kept, of course, waiting for just one judge to have what we considered to be eyes of their own and some common sense. We never got there. When the state appeals court ruled against us, it was very disheartening. But we had decided at the beginning that we were not going to quit until we took it all the way. We really believe that it only took one judge who would see things straight, and the whole thing could turn around, and suddenly, we would get justice. But at about that time, our older son came down with long COVID, which he ended up having for being unable to work for 2 years. And at that point, we really had to make a decision whether we wanted to go ahead and try to make an appeal to the California State Supreme Court. And always I felt that, in a sense, we had lasted for 7.5 years, and our family hadn't fallen apart. No one had had a terrible car accident, knock on wood, or gotten sick or had a stroke or a heart attack or any of these things, which are possible from the stress of a lawsuit. But now I really felt that this was too much, that we couldn't deal with our son's condition and continue to fight this suit. At that point, we gave up. We stopped fighting. We decided to walk away from it and just move on.